South Korea's KOSPI index made history on Wednesday when it broke the 8,700 level during intraday trading for the first time ever, reaching a high of 8,712.34 before closing at 8,689.45. This milestone marks a significant turning point in the index's trajectory, which has gained over 18% year-to-date. The rally was driven by strong performance in technology and semiconductor stocks, particularly Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix. These companies are benefiting from rising global demand for memory chips and AI components, which are central to the current economic cycle. The KOSPI rally has been fueled by a combination of domestic and foreign investor activity, with foreign investors injecting approximately 1.2 trillion $900 million into local equities by midday. The index's recent performance reflects broader structural shifts in South Korea's economy as it transitions toward high-value technology exports. The KOSPI has accelerated rapidly over the past 18 months, rising from 7,000 to 8,700 in just over 10 months. This pace suggests a shift in investor sentiment and economic fundamentals that could. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Have lasting implications. The KOSPI rally has also been supported by robust export data and a recovering Chinese economy, which has helped boost demand for South Korean goods. Additionally, expectations that the Bank of Korea will maintain accommodative monetary policy have contributed to the positive momentum. The index's price-to-earnings ratio of 12.5 is below the 5-year average of 14.2, suggesting that the market may not be overvalued despite the record levels. This valuation metric indicates that the KOSPI rally is being supported by fundamentals rather than speculative fervor. Domestic retail investors have also increased their equity exposure, which could signal a shift in long-term investment behavior. The KOSPI rally is not limited to large-cap stocks. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks have also seen participation, indicating a broadening of the market's momentum. This is a key distinction from previous rallies, where gains were often concentrated in a few sectors or companies. The KOSPI rally is part of a larger trend in global markets, where technology and semiconductor stocks are leading the way. The demand for memory chips and AI components is expected to remain strong, which could provide continued support for the index. However, the KOSPI rally is not without risks. Global economic conditions remain uncertain, and any slowdown in demand for South Korean exports could impact the index's performance. Additionally, changes in monetary policy could affect investor sentiment. The next signal to watch is whether the KOSPI can maintain its current momentum and whether the broader participation in the rally continues. If the index can hold above, most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. 8,600, it may signal a new phase of sustained growth. Investors should also monitor the performance of key sectors like semiconductors and technology to gauge the health of the KOSPI rally. The KOSPI's ability to sustain its current levels will depend on both domestic and global factors, including export data, monetary policy, and investor sentiment. The KOSPI rally has already set a new precedent, and the coming weeks will be critical in determining whether this is a short-term spike or the beginning of a longer trend.